Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor with iqra. I hope my all viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you are new to my channel or you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't miss another amazing video like this one. In today's video, I will show you the most beautiful and latest collections of 16 birthday decorating ideas. There are some beautiful and eye-catching decorating ideas. All the designs are very unique and trendy, and I am sure you will get beautiful and amazing decorating ideas from this video. So please guys watch this video till the end so you don't miss another amazing designs. If you like any design, then please take screenshot of, and if you want to see more cake design video, you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are all very easy to make and absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you like any design or if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss another amazing designs. If you like any design, then please take screenshot of, and if you want to see more cake design video, you can please visit my channel. I hope friends you like today beautiful collections of 16 birthday decorating ideas, and I am sure you will get beautiful and amazing new birthday decorating ideas from this video. Thank you so much everyone. Please enjoy and watching this video till the end, and I will see you tomorrow inshallah with the new video. Please take care of yourself and the people around you.